The fuck? Is that your car?
No, I just stopped because I wanted to know if I didn't know if there was like someone in there or something.
Oh, it looks like the driver door is open.
So somebody must have gotten out of it.
Yeah, it looks like the door's open.
Alright.
But where's the guy?
911's aware of it.
Yeah. Where's the guy though?
I don't know.
Where'd he go?
Right.
Downtown LA, right there. Well, luckily nobody's in here, but that is very suspicious. Like, where is the driver of the car? They're just debating on what the heck to do because they pulled up on the wrong interchange. Second fire engine just showed up on the correct freeway. It's not their fault though that they showed up on the wrong freeway though, because whoever called 911 clearly gave them the wrong address, and they just depend on, you know, whatever the 911 caller gives them. That works.